June 4th, 2013, baby number 2, it's 10 till 10. The little boy's squeaking. Push it out, baby. Push it out. Good girl. Push it out. Come on. What's wrong, big boy? Push it out. Come on. No, Millie, leave him alone. No, concentrate on your other one. Good. Here we go. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Oh, here it comes. Oh, good girl. Push, push, push. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, push, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, feet first again. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Push, baby. Come on. Come on. Bear down. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Push it out. Ooh, almost. Almost. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on.
We got here.
This one looks like a dapple. Push it out. Come on.
Come on. You can do it. Well, come on. Okay. You can do it.
Good girl. Come on.
Come on. You can do it. Come on. There it goes. Feet first. Come on. Come on.
Come on, good girl. Come on.
Come on.
One more good push. I bet it'll be out.
No, I don't know about that yet.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. I know there's at least one more. Yeah, right there. Come on. I can feel it. Come on. Come on. We're making headway. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Push, baby. Come on.
Come on.
Yeah, looks like a dapple.
Come on. And we're right there. Come on.
Stand up. Oh, that's the way to do it. Little gravity. Come on.
I know it.
She can do this. Come on. Come on.
I'm not pulling hard.
I know. Come on. Yeah, oh, shaking. Come on.
I'm surprised that puppy ain't crawled out of there yet.
Come on. Come on, push.
Push it out, way out. You did it last time. There it goes. Just about there.
Right this side. There it goes. Come on. Down. Right on that side.
Come on, you can do it. Come on. I can't get a hold of it.
Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Push, 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 push.
The sack broke. Come on.
Push, push, push.
Can you get hold of it?
Oh.
Come on. Umbilical's wrapped around it. Come on.
No, don't pull. He'll come out. See?
Well, that's
no, is that a, yeah, it's a boy.
Yeah, but this is the umbilical here. And it's what's got him twisted up.
I know, but the placenta's still inside.
I'm not going to yank it out. I was going to kind of try to twist him where it unroll and not choke him.
Rubber like that. Come on.
Come on, you can do it. Squeeze him. Just right. Squeeze him out of there.
Come on.
See, he's hung up on the... Is that for me?
Or whatever.
See, she's turning, but he's twisted up. What happened to that wash rag? Not the... You don't have another one, do you?
These are just work rags anyway. Come on. Millie. Come on. Push him out, baby.
Trying to twist him, Lauren. Just gently. See how he's hung up on the umbilical cord's got him anchored in there?
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. I know. Come on.
She's trying, but like I said, he's...
A little dapple.
See, he's hung right here.
Oh, he's okay. There. Ugh.
He's not kicking like that last one. That's why I tried to get that umbilical off him around his neck. Come on,